Alright, hi everybody. So today I'm just going to show you how to create a C++ console application project within Xcode. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open Xcode. I have it docked here in my dock. And then once Xcode opens up, you're just going to want to hit create a new Xcode project. And then from there, you want to go to OSX application and then select command line tool. And then from here, you want to name your project. It's called the product in Xcode. And I believe Visual Studio calls it the same thing. I'm not sure if it's universal. So you can name it. I guess I'm just going to name this YouTube project. And then for organization name and organization identifier, so Xcode requires you to enter this to create a project. It doesn't really matter what you put in here. If this is just a personal project, you can just put in your first name or your full name, whatever you want. But so what this is for though is so you'll see later on in the video it'll automatically create like a little comment section near the top of your code, and it actually looks pretty nice. So you can just put in your name there for both fields, and then for language, obviously whatever language you're trying to use. So C++ in this case, and then just gonna hit next. And then here you're just going to want to select where you want the project saved. And then over here, source control. If this is your first time setting up an Xcode project and your first time dabbling in C++ or whatever programming language you're using, you don't have to worry about that, and if you can just leave it unchecked. So then you'll just want to go ahead and hit create. And then you go to main.cpp, which is where your main function is. By default at least. And then here's the little comment section I was talking about. So it says created by Hassan Bazzi, copyright, and then that's where the company name would usually be. And then by default it has a Hello World application coded in here for you. And then to run this project, you'll just want to hit the run button over here. And then your output will just be over here in this little console window. So it's pretty straightforward. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below, and I'll be glad to help.